Hi, today I'm for the POCO X5 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how fast this switcher is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the face unlock works here fast and correct, and we just unlocked the device less than in the couple of seconds. This is the good result for the face unlock. I suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget, because the face unlock is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.